Hey guys, oh my gosh, I miss this. I miss everything about this so much. And first off, I just want to say I'm so sorry that I haven't been like in the YouTube world, like creating, like, believe me, seriously, believe me, I'm in the YouTube world. Like, I'm constantly watching videos, I'm constantly just on YouTube, you know what I mean? I love it. I love everything about it. And just being able to just start my own channel, you know what I mean? With just what I have. Like, I don't have a lot, you know what I mean? I don't have like all the makeup in the world, but just I do get a lot of makeup and I love makeup so much and I want to be able to review it for you guys, you know what I mean? Just the only thing, my thing is time. I do have a 2-year-old daughter and she is very just right next to me all the time because I am a stay-at-home mom. Um, so yeah, we're with each other like 24/7, you know what I mean? So it's difficult to be able to put away time for her because she's with me 24/7. But right now she's with my mom, so that's why I'm able to make this video and I'm like, oh, super excited. But I had to get ready and that took like almost 2 hours to get everything set up and get everything like good to go. So anyways, enough about that rambling stuff. I really missed you guys so much and I really am so excited for this video. And I need to stop saying really because that word is irritating me. Anyways, so obviously you guys see me the title of this video. It is what I got for Christmas. You're welcome. No, but really, yes, this Christmas was really good because I actually got presents. Normally, like from the past Christmases, I would just get like gift cards and stuff from my mom and like my aunt and like everybody else or whatever, you know. But this year I actually got presents because I wanted it to be fun. You know, my daughter, I have a daughter now, and so Christmas is just like, it's a whole different thing when you have a daughter, you know, or you have like grandkids in the family. Because then it's like you want the traditions that you did when you were younger, you want them to experience those traditions too. You know what I mean? So yeah, so Christmas is just like a lot more festive and like fun ever since my daughter got here. She's wearing my little golden ticket. No. So anyways, let's just get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Love you guys. Alrighty. So the first thing that I got and I really want. Oh my god, here I go with the realies. Ah! I what else am I going to say? I wanted this so much. The first thing is the Tarte blush palette. What is this thing actually called? The Blush Bazaar palette. Oh my gosh, you. There you go, you guys. I just had to turn down the light a little bit so you could actually see the colors. But yeah, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 blushes, and then there's also one highlight. And then it's got like this little flappy thing right here to keep them safe or whatever. I'm probably gonna tear that out. I don't know yet. And then this side also has 4 blushes and then a highlight. And they're gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, I wanted this so bad. Like, look how many freaking blushes there are. There's so many and they're so beautiful. And it's all the Tarte blushes. And this was, I'm pretty sure this was 40 bucks. Don't quote me on that. I'll leave it up somewhere on the screen for sure. But anyways, I have been using it because obviously this video is a little bit late because I'm such a loser. But it is actually so stunning. I don't really know about the highlights. You know what I mean? Like, they're pretty. I don't know if you can even see that. Whatever. But the blushes are beautiful. I've really been loving this color right here. It is called Angelic. Oh my gosh. I love it. And I love mixing. You can see that kind of. I gotta turn the light back up. I love mixing that with Endless. Oh my god. So pretty. Ah, oh my gosh, that's like super freaking pigmented. Holy crap. No wonder why it goes on so good. That's why I didn't put any blush on, but it's not, I didn't do it for this palette. I have another thing of blush. Alrighty, sorry you guys, I totally forgot that I didn't put a lip color on. Ugh, I'm such a nerd. Anyways, so the next thing that I got was from my mom, and it was one of the gift sets from Smashbox, and it came with like 3 of these little palettes, and it comes with 2 eyeshadow palettes and then 1 highlighter palette, and I'll just go ahead and open it up for you guys. So this is the highlighter palette. It's actually really cute, super pretty. I can't see. Let me move my mirror. It's really pretty. The shades are like actually really light. You know what I mean? So they're pretty, but I think for like a lighter skin tone, they'd have been really pretty because they're actually really light. Let me swatch them. See? I don't know if you guys can even see that, but let's see if I can get it on my hand. They're pretty, like they're reflective. They're actually really pretty. But I don't know. I feel like I like more like golden, kind of like rose gold kind of highlights. I don't know. So yeah, That's what I think about that. And then these two, and the packaging of these are like super, super, super cute. So they look like this, and the eyes move like when you move them up and down. Oh, you can't even see it on the screen. Whoa, so pretty. That's weird. Oh no, it's just that little one then. That little one moves. Oh, whatever. Anyways, so this is what they look like. Jeez, Carly. So yeah, so there's like a cooler tone one and there's like a warmer tone one. So you can kind of guess which one's my favorite. Yep. This one is definitely my favorite. Do they have names? Drawn in and decked out? No, that's not it. No, they don't have they don't have names. But anyway, so let's talk about the warm tone one because I think it's absolutely gorgeous and it's super cute, super travel friendly. Like I'm not like a big traveler, so that doesn't really mean anything to me, but some people are. So yeah, it's really, really, really pretty. I did my makeup today with it. I did like my crease color with that orange one right there, and then I did this really pretty purpley red color also, and then I did like the halo part, the dark part with this brown right there, and then in the middle I used that really pretty rose gold color. Oh, that color is so pretty. Let me just watch that. Ooh, oh, can you even see that? My lights are kind of too bright, but it's a really pretty color. Love it. This one is cool tone, so I don't really know how much use I'm going to get out of this one, but it is really pretty if you like cool tones. I might actually just give that away to my cousin. So Katie, if you're watching this, love you, honey. Alrighty, and for the last thing of makeup that I got, I'm pretty sure I got the Ofra Holiday Palette. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is so beautiful, and it is the reason I'm not wearing any blush. I'm wearing a little bit of bronzer because I totally forgot, but it's the reason I'm not wearing any blush or highlight because this little beauty. I waited, and it's the reason why this video has taken so long because I've been waiting for this to come in the mail. My aunt got me this for Christmas. Thank you, Shannon. I love you so much. And it is beautiful. So just look and see. So pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. Like on camera, it does not do it justice, you guys. Like these colors are vibrant and they're rich and they're just like, beautiful. So this little thing comes off. It has the names on it and stuff. I don't really mind it because it kind of just fits perfectly right there, you know? So you don't, it's not like one of the ones that just, the little sheets that just come off and you want to throw it. Like it's actually nice quality. You can actually fit it right back on there. And what else is pretty cool about this little palette is that all these guys, they actually pop out of the pans. So like this is the blush, and then if you didn't say, like, if you wanted to put something else in there, you could put a different color blush in there. You could rearrange it. But honestly, like, they don't have the names on the back, so that's the only thing that kind of sucks, is that the only way you know which one it is, unless you're like a diehard Ofra fan. But the only way you know is if you have this little thing. So that's kind of sucks. But I mean, you could write it on the back with a permanent marker or something. But anyways, you get 6 eyeshadows that are gorgeous, and then you get 4 blushes. You get the Americano bronzer and the Blissful highlight. And then, I don't know, there's like been a little bit of conflict about what these are. And honestly, I don't think they could be eyeshadows. Like you could wear them as eyeshadows, but I honestly think they're more like brow product, like stuff to fill in your brows. Like, oh my God, why can't I think? Just brow powder, whatever the frick it's called. Anyways, so yeah, it's so beautiful. Alrighty, so this is Plastic. This is Essential, Gold Rush, Winterberry, Millennium Gold, and Bohemian, and then Americana Bronzer, Blissful Highlight, and then the blushes are Pink Satin, Apricot, B29, and Candy Apple. Oh yeah, and these two are Bark and Triple Black. So super cool. You get a lot. And this was, I'm pretty sure, $49.99. So 50 bucks. But if you think about it, this highlighter is 30 bucks. And I'm pretty sure this bronzer is 30 bucks too. And I'm not sure how much their eyeshadows are. So 60, you know, just for those two. So you're getting all of this You know what I mean? It's extra. So that's cool. I really, really think it's really pretty. So I want to put that highlight on my damn face. I've been waiting and waiting. I have not put it on my face yet because I wanted to try it with you guys. So I'm going to grab my Morphe M510. It's just a little highlighting brush. And we're going to go in with that blissful highlight. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, there's a lot of powder. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, that's quite a bit of powder. My brush is also like raspy. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, that went everywhere. Okay, I gotta be able to show you guys. Oh my god. Oh girl. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh! I don't even care that it has fallout because it is that good. Can you guys see it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have lipstick on my forehead. Dang it. Ooh, but that highlight though. Girl, that highlight. Ooh. 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 Okay, I love it. Okay, so let's do the bridge of my nose and boop and the Cupid's bow. Okay. Can you guys see this? Woo! Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Like honestly, this palette just gives me life. Everything in it just gives me life. Oh yeah, I forgot. We gotta do blush. Okay, I think I want to do this color and I'm gonna mix it with this one. Gosh, these are quite powdery, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. But they are still freaking gorgeous. Alrighty, here we go. Pretty. Which one did I just do? Okay, these two. Pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it's so powdery though. You should have just seen that, dang it. Yeah, it's really powdery, but whatever. That does not bother me. The product inside is gorgeous. So that is all I care about. Why are you blurry? There you go. You got it. Okay, and then what else that I got that isn't makeup? I got this curling wand. Can I get it in there? It is like, yeah, it's just like an inch curling wand, but I find that my hair is a little bit like too long. My hair is like pretty long. I don't know if you guys seen that. It was like really bright. But anyways, my hair's a little bit too long for this one and I'm sad. I think I need like a 2-inch or something. I don't know, something that's like bigger curls, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm probably gonna take that back. But I got, or my aunt got this from TJ Maxx. It is the Heat Fahrenheit Hair Care System Collection. Heat Wave. I don't know. It's from freaking TJ Maxx. It looks like this. It's in like a little round thing. And I also got that I had no idea that I was even going to get, but my stepdad actually got me and my boyfriend a present, like as a family present. And it is, I can't like bring it in here, it's out there, but it is the air fryer. Oh my god, guys, the air fryer is so awesome. If you guys don't know what an air fryer is, you seriously need to Google that shit and look at it because it's amazing. It is like this little like egg looking thing and it's like sitting right next to my toaster. I'll put a picture. I'm gonna take a picture and I'll put it like right here somewhere on the screen and you guys can see what it looks like. It's so cute and like futuristic. Like I love it. But anyways, yeah, it's like a little oven basically. It's like you know the oil fryers, so you can fry your food with, what the fuck are those things called? The oil fryers. Deep fryers. Deep fryers. It's like a deep fryer, but it's an air fryer. It doesn't have none of the grease or the oil or nothing like that. It's all just air and like heat, like an oven. I don't know how it works. I'm not a freaking scientist, but it's amazing and it's healthy for you. And you can cook anything in there. You can cook freaking, you can cook burritos. You can cook steaks. We made steak in there. We made baked potatoes. You can cook muffins. You can cook cookies. You can cook lava cakes. You can cook anything you want, and it's so healthy for you, and it's amazing. Like, I totally, out of all the gifts I got, even the makeup, like, even much as I love my makeup so much, like, the air fryer was the gift. Like, oh my gosh, my household is so happy. Like, my daughter and my boyfriend are so happy about it. Because it's really easy. Like, it's not like, oh, let's get a big old meal preparation. You know what I mean? It's really easy. And I seen that Kiki Chanel, she also got one too. And I was like, yes, girl. Like, you are awesome. Like, if you guys don't know who Kiki is, go subscribe to her channel because she's freaking so cool. She's like a badass. I love her. She's so funny. She'll keep you entertained for hours. Oh, I love her so much. But anyways, yeah, I'll link her channel down below. So yeah, basically that is all that I got for Christmas. That is it. I mean, we don't have like the best income in the whole entire world, you know what I mean? So we didn't get like a lot of stuff. Like my daughter, skirt skirt, hold up, wait a minute, she got blessed, honey child. She got blessed this year for Christmas, but she gets blessed every freaking year. She's only 2 years old, you know what I mean? But she got blessed. But yes, my Christmas was really, really good. I was totally blessed. The family, it was a good time. We all hung out. That's what we do. We do it on Christmas Eve every year. I mean, it's usually, well, now that my grandma passed away, I love you so much, grandma. After she passed away, it's like me and my mom that basically take care of it all, you know? Like, before it was my grandma, she was like the hierarchy, like the freaking top of the food chain, basically. She was the top of the family, so she took care of everything, you know what I mean? So when she passed away, it got taken down to my mom. It's like, my mom is in her role now, and I help my mom out a lot with stuff like that. So we took care of it, and it was awesome. We had an awesome time. Everything is just great. It's a blessing, and I really am just excited to be doing this video right now. Like, honestly, you guys. Oh yes. Oh, I totally forgot. Oh my gosh. I totally forgot. I'll be back 1 second. I love you guys. Alrighty, you guys, because I love what I do on this channel so much, and because I got blessed so well this year for Christmas, I want to bless somebody else, because I really want to take this thing seriously, and I want to give back to my followers, the ones that are my little babies that I have, you know, right now. Like, I want to give you guys something because you guys really do truly mean a lot to me. Like, and I'll remember your names, you know what I mean? Like, if I ever do get bigger, I will remember your names. Trust me, I will. So I just want to thank you if you ever, the ones that do watch my video and you comment and just like my videos and all the little things that you guys do. So I really want to give back to one of you, and I really want to give somebody this Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, you guys. I could only buy one of them. I wanted to buy two so bad, but I only bought one, and I was like, I'm giving this away. And I bought it like a month and a half ago. I think I bought this, and it's just been sitting in my closet, all beautiful, and not been touched, nothing, and it's so gorgeous. So pretty. And then the inside, just so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I want one of you beautiful little snickerdoodles to win this palette. So all you gotta do to win this palette, dun dun dun, is be subscribed to my channel, obviously, like this video, and if you could be so kind as to comment that you want to be in the giveaway down below. And if you could also go and follow me on Instagram, that would be amazing. Oh yeah, and Snapchat. You gotta follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Comment, like, and subscribe. Damn, that's a lot of rules. But it's not that hard. And if you don't have Snapchat and you don't have Instagram, whatever, then just, you don't have to do that. Then just, yeah, whatever. Yeah, but anyways, if you want to win this palette, then just do those simple little things. And yes, I love you guys so much. And I really, really, I know someone's going to enjoy the shit out of this, because I would just be like, oh, if I could. But yeah, I love you guys so much. And I just wanted to thank you guys so much for everything, for just watching my videos. I mean, it's not like it's a, I don't know. I don't know. just want to thank you guys. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and mwah.